If you're somebody that knows how to trade, this is something like a feeling that you probably are familiar with. Started recently testing my future strategy with options, right? It's how I got funded. And this is what I started the account with. For 50 bucks, bought this contract for $43 or something. The strategy 100% works, up 110% here, but this is the first time I'm testing it on options, right? Because I wanted to see how it fucks with theta, zero DTEs, things like that. And this is essentially the trade, right? I took the long right around here, popped up, and I'm not gonna go into the actual strategy of it, but this is basically what I was looking for. Now I'll take the same exact strategy. I would take this exact same thing in futures, but I wanted to test it out in options because I wanted to see how much theta actually fucks. And then I started tracking this over the day, right? And again, this is when it just started moving up. There you go. Started seeing 64%, 10%, 44% again with the had another slight little put. And then with around 2 hours left, you started really getting fucked by theta. So I bought it at 10 in the morning, and around 11 o'clock is when theta really started kicking in. The market closes at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. At around 11 o'clock, 2 hours prior, the theta really started fucking up. And then at the end, my contract is essentially now worthless, right? It lost 96% of its value. So now, forward testing, I know that tomorrow, when I run the same strategy, right, on a zero DTE, I know that my target is either 100% gain, right? That's going to be my first thing to look for. Or 2, I'm going to more than likely add maybe rolling stops. Maybe I can get to like 75% gain. Or 3, potentially cutting out theta altogether and then running this maybe with like 1 DTE or 2 DTE or maybe weeklies. I don't know yet, but I know the strategy works 100%. I run this all the fucking time on futures, right? But now I wanted to forward test it and see how it actually runs on options. So I'm not really gonna make these videos a whole bunch. Even this video, I don't even know why I'm sharing, right? I feel like posting and I'm on lunch and I want to make something. But again, 110% gain, 100%. I mean, again, super cool with letting this thing just kind of die out because I already knew I was up, but I already know what to do tomorrow. This is what forward testing actually looks like for anybody that's not, experienced in trading or something. Just kind of good to know information, right? Whenever you have a working strategy or thinking about pivoting it into something else, always good to forward test. I don't really care about 250 bucks, so I don't mind forward testing this on what I need to, because obviously this is scalable, right? This can be at 250 bucks. This can be at 100,000 bucks. This could be $1 million, right? Doesn't really matter, right? What matters is, does the strategy work? And one, I already know it does. Now, what I got to figure out is when exactly do I have to take profit? And that's where the forward testing actually comes in handy.